So hey guys, in this video I'll share with you how you can get free sound effect for your videos. I guarantee you will never see this secret. So if you want to learn this secret, you need to keep watching this video. So without wasting any more time, now let's jump to the video. So guys, I am opening my browser and search Adobe. It's a powerful extension for Premiere Pro, and guess what guys, they offer a free sound effect pack file with a high quality asset. It's my favorite one. So this video will be learn how we can install this and how we can get a free sound effect pack. So guys, first I need to download this extension. So simply I'm go to download option, and if you are Mac user, simply download for Mac OS, or if you are Windows user, simply select Windows. I'm download for Windows. Simply you need to enter your email address and click get free plugin. After complete this download, you need to install the Adobe plugin. So I have installed the Adobe plugin. Now I'm opening Premiere Pro and open this my project. Now I need to go into then extension. Now you can see plugin has been already installed. So I'm opening this. Adobe offer total 10 packs. It's totally free guys. So here is our sound effect pack. I already downloaded this pack. I'm just open this and you can see a lot of sound effect is here. You just need to find out your perfect sound effect for your project. Guys, also if you purchase their all bundle pack, you can see lots of pack here. It's just mind blowing. They offer 100 plus pack for your video editing. I personally like this extension. So if you need more details, you can check my description. So guys, if you enjoy this video and if you like this extension, you can subscribe my channel and like this video. So see you next time.